This extended reach ratchet is perfect for automotive repair and maintenance because of the amazing features that Milwaukee has packed into this compact tool. But first, the basics. This cordless ratchet has a 3/8 drive and delivers up to 55 foot-pounds of torque. It has a slim head and extended neck. This lets you get at those fasteners that are hiding in tight spaces so common in automotive work. Its investment steel yoke housing is strong enough for professional use, so it can definitely handle what you throw at it. And like many Milwaukee products, it also comes with a POWERSTATE brushless motor and REDLINK Plus intelligence. Do you need the perfect tool for working on your vehicle? We have the best price on this Milwaukee extended reach ratchet. Shop JB Tools and save.